Hello everybody, this is Nora with NK57, and on this video I am going to play with these water-based peel-off polishes. As you can see, these are the three different brands that I have. So I have I have actually a black and white Born Pretty from Born Pretty. I have a set of these. This is 3 colors, but I went ahead and pulled the red, and I believe 6 colors of the Bun Time. But these are the colors that I pulled. And the test that I want to do, okay, so as you see my nails, I made this design, this ice cream design and I painted them with Sharpies using this is Beauty Big Bangs 027, one of my newest plates. So you guys, I was going to be doing designs, so I'm kind of been subliminally including the designs with videos of a different source. But so this white base is the Born Pretty polish. And so yes, it is a peelable polish, and I've already put it through a hot shower. As you guys know, I've been using the Burt's Bees cuticle cream for temporary wear, and this is good for either regular polish or gels, great for quickie nail art, swatches, etc. I've not been able to wear a gel manicure overnight when I use this as a base. It peels up, it pops off super easy, super fast, especially after a hot shower. And what I do in the shower, I see it lifting, and then I just pop them right off. And I've used the latex. Somehow I have managed to wear a gel manicure with Born Pretty Store's latex for a few days, but I'm running out of that. It's it's getting too old. And the latex, you know, if I figure I'm going to try this, because some people, even if the latex works well, some people may be allergic to latex, and this might not give you enough of a lasting for at least one night, which will be at least 2 days, right? Or, you know, over several hand washing. So this is the white peel off polish, and what you see here, this was me attempting to see in the shower, trying to peel it off and see if it will pop off, and it did not. Okay, so it was a bit hesitant. So I'm pretty sure, let's see, let me take these to this, put these to the side and see how this will do at peeling. Okay, so now we have it up close, and let's see how this does. And when I applied this polish, guys, I applied it straight to my completely bare nail. I did not have my Rejuva coat or any clear base. Okay, so yeah, it peels off fairly easy. I mean, it's not like an easy peasy one piece peel off. Let's see, maybe in a different direction, but let's try a different nail. Yeah, okay, so I do like this. So yeah, I mean, and this is, see, there it goes. You can tell it's a peel off polish. So this is only one night wear. Okay, so what I was thinking, and let me go ahead and remove the rest. So here are these 2 nails after a complete removal of that peel off polish. And if you guys wonder why are my nails shining, because they are not, they're completely bare. I don't have a clear base on. I polish them with this glass file. You guys remember these? I reviewed this a long time ago, and I love these files. You can buff your nails like these, and it leaves them shiny. You can wear polish, you can use nail polish remover, and the shine stays. They're super neat. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to use these polishes as a temporary peel off base coat for gel. And I want to try the red. I have some gel, the glitter gels, the gold glitter gels that I'm going to put over that. But the white will be mostly ideal because it is white, and anything over it, like you can put pink, it will, you know, you can put any solid color over this and it will show nicer. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to go ahead and apply the red over my thumbnail. And again, the shine that you see on my nail is just from buffing it with that glass file. I do not have a base coat on or anything. My nail's completely bare. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat of this red polish. I think the thicker these peel off polishes are, the better they are. The easier it is to peel them off. I didn't mean to do it that thick. But now while that side is drying, I'm going to go ahead and paint this one because I really want to test this white polish. And guys, if you're wondering, this is coming from me testing, doing different testings on things. You remember that temporary, quote-unquote, temporary base that I want to do for when I do my clear jelly extension nails. I want something easy that is going to allow me easy removal, yet be able to keep the nails for a few days. And latex has not, you know, latex, it's not lasting. Obviously the cuticle cream is not lasting. And I also tried the iMedley latex, that it seemed to be a little bit more hesitant for peeling off the gel polish, but it came off. If it comes off in my hot shower, it's not gonna last. So I'm trying this white because over this I can apply maybe a pink gel polish and make it just look like just like it will be my nail bed. It will just give it that natural look of my nail bed when I extend it to my clear nails. I'm gonna let this dry and do a second coat. Okay, this white one, I've already done the second coat, and this white one is probably going to take forever to dry. I love the I love the Born Pretty store. The black is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it is super nice to apply. You don't get this streaky lines, you know, like this white one. You go over, I mean, I think it was actually, when I reviewed it, it was one coat and it was done. It's an awesome black. This white is better than regular polished white. It's not too bad, but yeah, I think it could be. I wish it was as good as the black one. This red one is pretty dry now. I can touch it and it doesn't leave any fingerprints. Obviously, the longer you wait to leave these dry, the better, but we're doing a video here, and as long as I don't have any reaction with the gel against the regular polish, and we're gonna leave that pretty look just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it in the lamp. Okay, this white one is completely dried. That right there was a smudge test. It is, as you can see, not even leaving fingerprints. And so this had been a total, maybe I'll say 10 minutes. And these glitters that I'm using, I'm going to do a pink one over this one. I've already reviewed these, guys. This was one of the previous videos, Model 1's glitters. So this, ideally, I would have put this pink glitter over a pink polish, but I really want to test this white. So I figure, and I'm just doing the gel over it as a test to kind of just show you guys, you know, something else that you can do as a temporary base for gel polish. Make it easy removal and not having to soak it up, but let's see how long this will last. I'm going to leave this overnight. I'm trying to spread this glitter a little, make it as even as possible. Not want to do multiple coats since I still have to do a top coat. Let's put it in the lamp. These are the two glitter polishes that I use, guys. Like I said, I've already reviewed them before. So here are my thumbnails already finished with top coat. And like I said, so I'm going to leave these at least overnight, at least put them through one hot shower. And let's see how easy they're going to be to peel off. I mean, why didn't we think about using peel off polish before as a base for gel? Or maybe, you know, yeah, I know the colors make it a challenge, but this is pretty. I mean, you can obviously put toppers, or remember, like I said, I have the black Born Pretty store. I bet this gold will be pretty over the black as well. But I wanted to try this brand, this is Born Pretty store, and I know it works well, and the black one works well. But I wanted to try this one again over my totally bare nails. And none of these water-based polishes come with their own top coat. Only the Bun Time came with its own water-based top coat that I like to use over She Modern foils. But yeah, we're gonna give this a try, and I'll meet you back again after it's been at least one night. Alright guys, so it has been at least one night, and I've put these through a very steamy hot shower. And so let me tell you, okay, so at least they didn't pop out. So while in the shower and you know the steam was on, I tried to pry this one here like this, and I lifted it. So I noticed that, but then I left it alone. I didn't want to lose it. Okay, then I did the same test on this one to make sure I didn't have any lifting, and I did not, which I was happy about. So this white one, remember, is the Born Pretty white water-based peel-off polish. The red one is this one, same thing, water-based peel-off by Model Ones. And so I'm going to start with peeling off the red one, and let's see how hesitant it is or how easy. Okay, so far it's pretty easy. So it looks like it was lifted that far, and then a little bit hesitation towards the tip, not much, but yeah, there it is. So super easy to pop off, but I was happy to see that this lasted at least one night, overnight, through one hot steamy shower. Nothing on my nail other than the natural shine. And now let's try this one. Let's see how easy. Okay, so alright, so I thought it was going to be hard to find a way to peel it off, so since I didn't see any lifting, let's keep trying this. And remember, I topped that glitter is gel that I put over this regular polish that peels off. So I'm using and yeah, I guess you can use regular glitter as well. There we go. Very nice. Okay, I'm happy with those results. I'm happy to see that I can use these polishes, water-based peelable polishes, as temporary base coats over or under a gel polish, so long as you know I have a good color combination there with not altering the colors of the finished mani. Okay, I went ahead and put the polishes aside, guys, because I wanted to show you. So while waiting for, you know, peel off these thumbs, I did another mani that I'm not sure which order you're gonna go see, but it was the blue nails with the metallic blue polish from Beauty Big Bang. And you see this nail right here? Yeah, that freaked me out when I used acetone to remove the polish. And when I looked down and I saw that yellow, it freaked me out. And then I took a second look. I was like, wait a minute. So the polish that I used was a metallic, and it requires a water-based base coat, which I used this one. Notice how this is foggy, just like the water-based peelable base coat, like Aunt. And from previous experience, I mean, this thing, you can't take this off. You can't remove this with acetone. You literally have to peel it off. It's a peelable, it's an easy peel off base coat. I mean, it's like if you try to swipe this off with acetone, you get this squeaky. It's like, you know, it's anyway. So you can't use acetone with this. You really do have to peel it off. I use tape to pull it off of my nails. So this thing, I had it, and these 3 nails, I used acetone. The polish was removed easily, but on this one, I noticed when I was peeling or removing these with a cotton ball, it seemed like there was a gummy thing underneath. It was the base coat. And so I figured, oh, okay, I still have base coat here. And look at this. So, and my skin is dry from the acetone. So I went in here and said, oh, the base is still there, so I can peel it off. So I could have possibly just peeled off the manicure instead of using acetone. And look at this. Let me get my tweezers. Can you see that? In almost all in one piece. So my nail is intact. It's not yellow. Thank goodness. So I could have, I'm going to try this as a peel off base coat, and it does take a while. It does take quite a bit. It doesn't take as long to dry as my aunt. I don't remember it taking that long because then I went over it with the metallic polish. So I'm going to try to use this one also as a peel off base coat for gels. Okay guys, so there I went ahead and applied some cuticle cream to my nails. So guys, this being my second part to this video, I honestly do not remember, and I didn't go and play it back, do not remember me explaining in the first part of the video why I'm doing all this testing with peel-offs. The reason being is because, as I have mentioned before, I want to extend my nails with clear tips, so that I can do some cool jelly nails and have fun with that for a while. And so I want to extend my nails with a hard product, maybe, or a soak off. Still thinking about it. And I want it on my nails, but I don't want a permanent application. I don't want to have to do any filing or extensive soak off of any product to remove it off of my natural nails. I don't want to compromise the health of my nails, so I want to be able to do a peel off or snap off or pop off, but yet I want to be able to at least have it last one night, 2 nights, something like that. And so I'm trying to see what I can use as a base to then build an extension over. So I do not want it to be so temporary to use the cuticle cream or a latex. I might go back to using the Aunt. So far the Aunt will probably be the most promising. I haven't had to test it. It's just because I've used it before, so I know how it will work. And the only reason this has not been my favorite lately is because while doing swatches and nail art, it takes forever to dry. But for a quote-unquote one-time use of creating the extensions, I mean, I can just do that one time, be done with it, and then move on to the extensions, and just, yeah. And if you guys saw, I saw Baby Girl Nails latest video on the peelable gel polish. Yeah, as soon as I saw that, I found it pretty curious, very interesting, and I jumped right into their website and looking for at least a color, not the whole system, but at least a color, a base that I could use as a base for this. So in place of a peelable regular polish, and I will use a gel polish. We'll see how that works. So I ordered a color. Thank you, Baby Girl Nails, for sharing that video with us. That product is Moron Peel-Off Gel Polish, and I just so happened to get an email telling me that it's on its way. I just ordered it last night. I picked a color, one of the bottles that was around $9, and there was some kind of discount, so it came up under $8 with free shipping. Pretty good. Now I wish they would have had a color. I could have had a color around, you know, something like this nude pink for around that price, because this is a test that I'm doing. I left her a comment telling her that I ordered it because I have plans for it. So these are the plans that I have for it, and I'm liking this color because, yeah, it's pretty nude, and yeah, this is a peelable peel off. So I might do some testing with that. And also, and I saw Delicious has a video, but I haven't had a chance to watch it yet, or fail using Beauty Big Bang's fiberglass. And this is going to be my next adventure, maybe another reason for finding out a good base, because I don't have a silicone hand. And here's another thing. Okay, so if I try this on tips, I'm putting them on the stand. I don't know if that's how that's going to work on me working off of a tip. Stay tuned for what's coming. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.